One of the things I really enjoy about the E-Ride 3.0 is all the bits and bobs like the stem lock, high-rise bars, pegs, headlight, trinkets, and doodads that you don't really think of, with the exception of the stock kickstand, which sucks ass. It's all dialed and doesn't really need to be changed or upgraded. I start a little ride at dusk, and as the sun goes down, you're going to see that the stock headlight is quite bright and has a good beam pattern. It's pretty wide field of view, I guess you could say, but then you also, straight ahead of you, get like a blinding light for cars to see you. And in addition of the 3.0, one of the enhancements or revisions from the previous model is that you do have a blackout switch where you can kill the tail indicator light. It's not a brake light. It doesn't light up when you hit your brakes. It's always on red. And then your headlight, you can turn those off. So if you want to be all stealth-like, you can do that. You can't see jack shit at night without the headlight. Another side point, I did not have my camera in its night mode. This is just the regular day mode I usually record in. It still gets grainy and fuzzy. The darker it gets, the more the sun pisses off. In comparison to any action cam I've ever had, the low light performance is astronomically good, especially because, like I said, this is the standard mode, not the night mode. Enjoy the video. It wasn't up in balance point. I would have had to come up a lot more for it to get to balance point. I thought that was a real dog. It's not. It scared the hell out of me. It sucks. The only eye protection I have are sunglasses right now, so it's getting dark, and it's making it hard to see. If I go with my full face helmet, I need to change my lens, which only takes about 3 minutes, but I just don't want to do that. You gotta have eye protection, but you also don't want to be blind either. I guess I could have worn my Moto goggles. Those are damn near transparent. Oh well, live and learn and then get love, as they say. Crazy traction, man. Like with these Shinkos, all kinds of things that you would think would spin it out. It's fine.
that noise? Ooh, you hear that? Good Lord. Hope it's not like an axle bearing going out or something. That sounds bad. All right, that was sick. I did a little chirp-a-derp, snag traction. Love that. Not for the curb, but for me, it was kind of fun. Now I gotta be careful because I left those big ass ruts back here. I don't want to crash in my own ruts. That would be the most embarrassing fucking thing ever. It's right here. Oh, it's already kind of getting filled in a little bit. That ain't bad at all. I don't feel bad anymore. I guess I wasn't recording. There's like a big owl or a bat or something above me. I think it's an owl. Yeah, it's a huge owl. Oh yeah, that's that rough stuff back here. Bunch of fucking bugs back here. Stop for a second, my face is getting ransacked. This headlight's pretty good actually. Pretty damn bright, stock headlight. I don't have any eye protection on. My sunglasses are right there. All right, that one got up there a little bit. It wasn't up to balance point, but it did come up on me a little bit. Thanks, man. Man, there's night aerial creatures out right now. Big time. Just gotta remember, back brake. It's there for you if you need it. I have made that mistake before, forgetting she was there for me, and I did pay the price. What is that?
It's a homemade electric bike.
A bucket scooter thing?
Yeah.
Works.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Oh God, fucking rock just flew in my eye. Maybe I will go to the sunglasses even though I can't see anything. Or I could go back to the house and get some like safety goggles and look like an absolute weasel. Oh God, anything's better than getting a rock in the eye. I do tell you that right now, sister. Heavens molly me right in the fucking eyeball. Damn, dude, another rock to the eye. You'd think I'd learn after the first like 3, but I'm just gonna put the sunglasses on. Oh no, that's actually not an option. It makes it so dark. Definitely chase that one. Oh, we got a big dog. Hit the blackout switch on them. You'd be amazed how many little pebbles and rocks get tossed up in your freaking ocular cavities, corneas. You really do need glasses. It's like a must. Some kind of eye protection. My fucking eye hurts so bad. Oh man, what are my options here? We got this. That's fucking stupid looking. That's a little bit less stupid looking. It has a drop down visor, but it does look super, super, super stupid. Can't see shit with that off. Still very low. That wasn't up in the balance point or anything, but it felt good. My arm does not feel good though. That bitch hurts right now. Still a bunch of games going on. Didn't even put my feet down. Damn, when I turn that off, it gets dark out here. Oh, it's dark without that.